can transfer the water from the one beaker into the other without pouring it directly. But what I want to use is a string. I just have a piece of yarn, and what I'm going to do is attach it from one beaker to the other and allow the water to run along the string. Now, when I pour the water, notice what happens. It just drips down the side. What I'm going to do is now wet the string first. So we'll place the string in the water, and then we'll use it again. So pull the string apart and hold it here and pour the water along the string. And let's do it this way. And now the water flows nicely along the string and goes into the other beaker. So let's show that again. Pour it from the one and let it go into the other. The string doesn't have to be taut, so I can let it go slack as well. I'm holding it on this end here just so that the string will be tight against the lip of the beaker. If it's not tight, then obviously the water can't run along it. Now the water runs down the string because of the cohesion of water. So because I made my yarn wet initially, the water will actually adhere to the water molecules that are already in the yarn, and by gravity then just go down the yarn. Initially, when the yarn was dry, the water simply dripped off the yarn because the cohesive forces simply were not present. The water itself could not stick to the yarn. We were dealing with the adhesive forces in that case between water and the yarn, and they were fairly weak, and so the drops simply came off. As soon as I made it wet, the water that's poured along the string will stick to the string because of the cohesive forces between water molecules, thus allowing the water to drip down the yarn into the second beaker.